friend, and yeah, welcome back to my channel. So we've got right here is a box. Okay, so let's go, gonna have to check it out. So I believe this is my electric bike, so I'm gonna have to use this for my, what is this called, um commuting for to work, right? So okay, let's go, gonna unbox this up and let's go, gonna check it out. Okay, let's go, gonna check it out. All right. So right. So we got the one right over here. Okay. And then I'm gonna have to turn it like that. So okay. Oh, we got a key. Okay, identify your pedals. Check the letters on the pedals, left or right. The R mark pedal is for the right. Okay, when facing the forward direction for attachment to the crank. Tighten clockwise. Alright, the L mark pedal is for the left. For attachment, tighten counterclockwise when facing directly. Alright, okay. There's an indicator. Okay. Okay. Let's check battery installing and removing the battery. So yeah, turn right to lock it, to turn left to unlock. So never let a battery be charged unattended. The battery's voltage is indicated by display unit located on the handlebar. Okay. On the handlebar. Right, so your battery must be charged in an ambient temperature or a non-flammable and dry surface. However, when the sources of heat, humidity, or flammable materials should never be covered. Okay. Output, input. Okay. Step 1, turn on the battery, turn off the battery. Okay, the LED lights will be off. Plug the charger into the socket and insert the charger's plug into the battery while battery is switched off. The charger's LED indicators light up in the following manner. The red LED light on indicates the battery is being charged. Okay. The red LED lights turn green, indicating the battery is fully charged. You can then unplug the charger. Okay, green. Okay. Battery autonomy and lifespan. So the bike's autonomy range from 25 to 55 kilometers, depending on various factors, degree of assistance, use topology. Right. So yeah. Recommendations and maintenance: evacuate metal sheets to cover electric components. So forcefully against the use of excessive. Okay. Alright, so there you go. Alright. So the rest is I'm gonna be putting all the accessories. So alright, so yeah. Okay, so alright, so that's the unboxing and also the installation of all the what is this called, all of the necessary items, right? So I guess I'm gonna have to put some, decorations, accessories for it. So I've already been looking up in YouTube, so some top of the top by accessories for e-bike, right? So alright, so I think that's it for this vlog. So, and I hope you enjoy watching. Don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell so that you will notify all of my upcoming future videos. Okay, so stay tuned and see you again on the next video, everyone.